Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Naugar, Bandar East. Our today's topic is types of sentences. Student, in our last lecture, we already know the types of sentences. That is assertive, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. And also, we discussed how to transfer assertive into imperative and imperative into assertive. Course outcome: student able to formulate grammatically correct sentences. So today we are going to learn interrogative sentence and exclamatory types of sentences. So interrogative types of sentence is a type of sentence that asks the question. Simply it is also called as a question. They are typically marked by inversion of the subject and predicate. That is the first verb in the verbal phrase appear before the subject. The sentence always ends with the question mark. The sentence begins with the WH word as well as the helping verb. The sentence begins with helping verb, it is called as a yes no types of question, and the sentence which begins with the WH word, it is called the also the WH question. For example, why don't many people or for no, why don't many people follow traffic rule? Transfer the following interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Did you pay the bill? In this example, did is a helping verb, you is a subject, pay is a verb, and the bill is a object. We want to transfer into assertive, that is subject, verb, and object. Did pay is the simple past tense is used. When we transfer interrogative to assertive, that time if negation is there, so we delete the negation. If negation not there, we add negation. So though it is simple past tense, the subject, verb, and object. You paid the bill. We use paid as a V2 of pay because in the interrogative sentence structure is helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. That's why we use did for helping making a question. But in assertive type, we do not need did, so we delete the did and directly use paid as a V2 form of the verb. So you paid the bill. Are you ready to leave? You are ready to leave. You doesn't know him. Who doesn't know him? In this example, who and doesn't. Okay. So we want to transfer in assertive types of sentence. So does, as we remove the doesn't and who, so we put opposite word everyone or everybody. Everybody knows him. Convert the following assertive sentence into interrogative. He will never learn manner. So will he learn the manners? In this example, the subject, verb, and object is there. So we transfer into helping verb, subject, verb, and object, and question marks. The worker are not going to going on. The workers are not going on strike. Aren't the workers going on strike? To add negation. The production unit was equipped with the latest machineries. The production unit equipped with the latest machinery. Okay, so we transfer in the interrogative sentence, that is, was the production unit equipped with latest machinery? Question mark. Next, an exclamatory sentence or exclamatory types of sentence. Exclamatory sentence or the exclamation is a more forceful version of declarative sentence. In other words, an exclamatory sentence makes the statement, but it also conveys the excitement or emotion. An exclamatory sentence or exclamation is a more forceful version of declarative sentence. In other words, an exclamatory sentence makes the statement, but it also conveys the excitement or emotion. An exclamatory sentence ends with the exclamatory marks. It gives the inner feeling of our heart or our mind. What a pleasant surprise it is. WH word, what and how, okay, used for beginning of exclamatory sentence. Then adjective, Now subject and verb and exclamatory mark is there. Transfer the following exclamatory sentence into assertive. How big that mango tree is. When we use or when we transfer exclamatory to assertive sentence, that time we delete what and how. When we delete what and how, that time we use very, so, great, such like a word there for making sentence assertive. How big that mango tree is. The mango tree is very big. What a beautiful picture it is. It is a very beautiful picture. Hooray, we won the match. Here, hooray, exclamatory mark is given and we won the match. Assertive sentence is already given. We want to transfer an assertive sentence. We are so happy that we won the match. As per the word use hooray, oh wow, etc., we use the happy or sorrow, etc., in the sentence. Hooray indicated the happiness, that's why we use we are so happy that we have won the match. If only I here, I were the king. If only I were the king, unless I was a king. Convert the following assertive sentence into exclamatory. It is very fine weather today. What a fine weather today is. It is a joy. It is joyful that I own a lottery. What a joyful thing that I own a lottery. It is sad that I could not qualify the competition. Alas, how sad it is. Alas, how sad it was that I could not qualify the competition or exam. He is very noble man. What a noble man he is. You seem to be much upset. How upset you are. In this way, we discuss the different types of sentence and their sentence pattern and how to transfer in assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, also assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive. I hope you all of us understood the topic very well and you do not have any problem to transfer the following sentence or any kinds of sentence from assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to imperative or assertive to imperative, assertive to interrogative, etc. Thank you.